A fired Austin police officer is in trouble with the law again.
Leonardo Quintana now faces criminal charges. He was arrested and booked into jail last night. Our Kate Wida now with details.
Well, good afternoon. Quintana's attorney says he believes that the Austin Police Department is just coming after his client because he won his arbitration only to be fired again for allegations that have now been turned into charges. Quintana faces 4 misdemeanor charges in connection with alleged domestic violence incidents in Leander last year with his ex-fiancée, who was also an Austin police officer. The charges include 2 counts of assault, family violence with bodily injury, 1 count of criminal trespassing, and 1 count of criminal mischief. Quintana is best known for his involvement in the shooting death of 18-year-old Nathaniel Sanders, but Austin's police chief, Art Acevedo, fired Quintana earlier this year, not for that shooting, but for a January DWI. An arbitrator's ruling allowed Quintana to get his job back. Then, just days later, Chief Acevedo fired Quintana a second time, saying an internal affairs investigation into Quintana's DWI arrest revealed these allegations of assault, trespassing, and criminal mischief. But Quintana's attorney says the female officer gave 2 versions of the events that happened more than a year ago during their relationship, and no charges were filed until now, and that's a little fishy.
It's almost unheard of for these kinds of charges, particularly the assault and the protective order, to be pursued by a prosecutor or by a police department a year after they occurred.
APD has not commented on the charges. Quintana's bond was set at $8,000, and he ended up posting it. From APD headquarters, Kate Wida, KXAN, Austin News.